Hello and welcome to my review of Alpari. Alpari is without a doubt one of the biggest brokers out there. They've been around for ages as they originally started in 98 on Christmas Eve in Russia, right as the ruble crisis had hit at that point in time. The brokerage allowed the locals to start trading their foreign exchange needs and has since broken many barriers to become one of the largest online Forex brokerages in the world. They are regulated in several different countries. They have offices all around the world with a particular focus on Eastern Europe, obviously coming from Russia. But they offer several different types of accounts, as an example. So, for example, you can go to the independent trading and it will tell you various account types. And you can see there's Nano Standard MT5, which is their platform, MetaTrader 4 and 5. ECN, Pro ECN, and ECN MT5. Now, the more professional the platform in the account, then typically the more options you have as far as trading, and that's typical. And you can see that the minimum is anywhere from zero all the way up to $500 for the higher end accounts. You can get in a standard account for as little as $20 or 20 euros, depending on what your base currency is going to be. You can see that they have 6 different accounts. The company itself has been around for ages, like I said, since 98. And you can see all of the awards that they have won, the highlights of the year. It's pretty good reading, actually, if you want to know who you're dealing with. The spreads and conditions. So we can go to contract specifications, and there's the spreads. And you can see they're really, really small on some of these pairs. Even the Euro Noki is 3.2, Swiss franc, Euro 0.4. I mean, really excellent spreads, 0.4 on pound dollar. Spot metals, you can see, pretty tight there as well. Commodity CFDs, this would be Brent and WTI. More commodity and index CFDs, you can see that we have the ASX in Australia from zero point 0.1. The DAX from zero point 0.1. Cryptocurrency is going to be a little bit different. As you know, cryptocurrency is a completely different world. You can see there are 5 cryptocurrencies you can trade. Leverage. Now, in cryptocurrency, as you know, leverage really isn't all that. So, for example, cryptocurrency is 1 to 2, but you start to gain here at index CFDs at 1 to 50, commodities 1 to 33, other commodities as well, 1 to 33. And it does shrink if you're talking like 90,000 contracts. Obviously, most of you won't be worried about that. Majors, FX majors, 1 to 1,000. Miners are 1 to 1,000. Exotics 1 to 500. FX ruble is 1 to 100. Spot metals 1 to 500. And special, which is 1 to 25 on some of the special ones. So leverage is extraordinarily generous. And as I said before, they give you the MetaTrader ecosystem. They do have Alpari Invest. It's kind of a mobile deal here for iPhone and iPad, but they basically it's a way to track down your investments. They do have the MetaTrader ecosystem, so obviously you can download that for mobile as well. They do have a nice section of education, videos, webinars, uh, articles, books on Forex, the like, and a ton of contests. So that certainly is something to pay attention to as well. Alpari has been trusted by over 2 million people. They're 20 years old. Certainly a very viable candidate for your brokerage services.